What's going on, everybody? Mike McIntyre here from All Things Sports, bringing you another brand new review video. It's Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. I picked up a brand new product that I'm super excited about. Let's get into this brand new video review. So before we begin, you guys know the drill. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, take care of those three things, and let's get into this brand new review. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. As always, Mike McIntyre, All Things Sports, back in the garage studio. It is Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. I picked up a brand new product for myself, one that I've been looking at for a while. I'm a huge fan of the EGO product line. I have one of their leaf blowers that I use when I detail my car and for just general work around the house and the property. And I've come to learn that a light is super useful. It sounds very simple, but a good, strong work light is very, very useful. When I renovated the bedroom upstairs, that was a big project. You're left without power in that room as you're doing renovations for a few days at a time, and having a big, powered, strong light is actually a huge benefit in that kind of environment. Given that I had the EGO battery with the leaf blower, I was looking at their product range and they came out with a work light, and one that I thought could be useful given that I have future renovations that I'm interested in doing during camping trips, during power outages. There are a lot of different uses that I could see myself using this light for, so I picked it up on Black Friday week because it was on sale, and EGO products don't typically go on sale very often, and when they do, the savings isn't usually that big. I've seen like $100 savings on $1,500 or $1,600 product. So that's not a massive saving in the end. This one wasn't a bad deal. This light normally retails at $230 Canadian, and it was down at $159.99, which is a pretty decent savings. It was about 30 or 35% off. So I decided to pick the light up, and today I want to show it to you. And part of the reason I want to do this video unboxing and review is because I didn't see any videos online regarding this product. I've looked up EGO videos before to see reviews on different products, and when looking for this light, there was nothing on YouTube reviewing this product, so I figured I'd make the video myself and show you guys what this light can actually do. So this light is capable of running for up to 35 hours on low with a 5 amp hour battery. Now if you had a bigger battery, obviously that run time will actually increase. If you have a smaller battery, the run time won't last as long, obviously. Keep in mind that this is recommended to be used with a 5 amp hour battery for that 35 hours of runtime. I have a 5 amp hour battery right here. So inside you get some cardboard, we get the light here, and that is pretty much it. So we'll push this off to the side, the light is wrapped, and here we go. Now there's actually, feeling this product, there is some weight to it. There's a bit of heft to it. Keep in mind that it is a work light designed to be used in a variety of different scenarios. I mean, you can be using this on construction sites, job sites, camping trips. I can see myself using it for that. The two light panels fold out, as you can see, and then it folds up like this. So you can see there are 4 different light panels here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can sort of, with a limited amount of control, you can choose which light panels are on. So I'll show you that in a second. And again, you can get up to 360 degrees of light thanks to the panel design if you were to be creative with the way you sort of position the panels. So that's pretty much it. There's a locking knob here. You can see there's 2 different carrying handles to support it depending on the orientation of the lights. The battery would fit back here at the back. On the bottom, there are 2 different size tripod mounts. So if you want to mount it to some sort of tripod, you can do that. And then there's these 2 hooks that fold out, so I can actually hang the light. So there you go. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can use it, which is really cool. And I mean, it's just a work light, let's be honest here, but the capability of it and the versatility of it can be very, very useful. You can lock, there's this locking knob right here where you can lock the light in different positions so that it doesn't fold up on you. And let's plug it in and show you what else you can do. So we'll put this up here on the table. The controls are right here on the side. Keep in mind the light is actually quite heavy. You have a power button, you have 5 different brightness settings, so you have low, well, let's just go in numbers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is the boost mode. So there's 5 different settings, and then there's a control button here to control which light panels are on, and then there's a USB port where you can charge you can charge your phone or some sort of device via a USB cable right here. Let's put the battery on. This is fully charged. You can see I got 5 light bars right there. We're going to charge this up, snap it in, and now we're ready to go. So I'll leave these lights on. I won't flash this directly at the camera, but we'll turn it on, and then you can see that's on low. So that's its basic setting, and I'll show you which light panels can be turned on and off. So you can see all 4 are on. By pressing the button, I have a few different settings. So I can have the top 3 on, I can have just that one on, or I can have all 4. So I said it before, it's limited control, but you do have a few different options here when it comes to which panels are on and how many you need. And then in terms of brightness, that's low. Then we have number 2, number 3, number 4, and then I have to hold the plus button down here for 2 to 3 seconds to put it into boost mode, which gives you the maximum 10,000 lumens, which is right there. So you can see it on the camera that it just flashed. I mean, this is probably not the best way to show you the capability of the light, but that's its capability right there. So actually, just to change it up a little bit, we will turn the lights in the garage studio off, and I'll show you how much of the set you can see here being lit up by this light. We'll turn these lights off, and we'll step behind the camera. That's on level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. So you can see, if I didn't tell you, and I'm holding the light currently, on the max setting, and I can manipulate sort of how this light is shone and where it's being directed. If I put these panels in the right situation, this is on its max setting, it powers the entire light set right there, which looks really, really good. It's quite impressive actually. So you can imagine in a room where, let's put this down on the floor in front of the camera, in a room where you're working, right? If I come stand here, it might look scary because of the angle, but in a room where you're working, you can imagine that this would do everything you need it to do and really light up the area that you need to see quite well. So I just like the fact that I have a battery-powered portable light that runs off an ecosystem that I've already bought into with the EGO batteries. And given that I want to get a few more pieces of outdoor power equipment, I can completely see how this light could be very, very useful in a number of different scenarios. So it's a simple work light. There's not much to it, but I think it's well thought out. I think it's versatile. There's some different handles here. It can be hung upside down. You can use it on a variety of different job sites. And I think it just works really, really well. So that's my review of the EGO LT1000 is the model number name. It's their portable work light. Up to 10,000 lumens of brightness, as you just saw. And it looks really, really good. So that's pretty much it, guys. Mike McIntyre, All Things Sports. If you have any questions, leave those down below in the comment section. I always get an answer out to you. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Hit that like button. It truly helps the channel out. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Mike McIntyre signing off for now. All Things Sports. Peace.